Once upon a time, there was a powerful wizard. He was very cruel, but his daughter was kind. The wizard made people afraid. He cursed the land. The daughter helped anyone she could. "Can you spare some bread?" a poor woman asked the wizard. "Then earn some money," the wizard snapped. Next, a child spoke to him. "Please, sir, my mother is sick. That's not my problem," the wizard said. A fairy was watching from the clouds. "I know he lost his beloved wife," she thought. "But I must teach him to care for others again." Poof, the fairy turned into a beggar. She approached the wizard. "Please, sir, I need water." "Then find a well," the wizard said. The woman pulled out a crystal. "I'll trade you this. I don't need that," the wizard said. "Then I'll use my power," the fairy said. "What?" She raised her staff. "Poof, I've cursed your entire kingdom. The mountains are frozen now." "What?" The wizard was shocked. The fairy pointed her staff at him. "Now it's your turn. You'll become as cold as your heart." "Oh," the wizard turned into solid ice. The fairy smiled. "Perfect. My curse is upon you. Now you're as frozen as your soul." The wizard looked down. He couldn't move his arms or legs. His amulet glowed with strange magic. "Change me back," he shouted. "Never," the fairy shook her head and handed him the crystal. "Only kindness can break my curse. Show true compassion before the crystal loses its light. Or else what?" the wizard asked. "You'll remain frozen forever." The fairy vanished. The wizard screamed. Once upon another time, there was a boy named Thomas. He lived with his mother in a small village. She worked as a healer. Thomas helped Mother with her patients. One day, the medicine cabinet was empty. "Mother," Thomas said, "where are herbs?" She sighed. "The garden won't grow anymore. Everything is dying." Later, Thomas was working alone. A soldier came in. "Where's your mother?" "She's gathering firewood," Thomas said. "May I help you?" The soldier frowned. "The kingdom owes the wizard taxes. If you don't pay, he'll freeze your village." "Please, sir," Thomas said, "we have nothing left to give." The soldier crossed his arms. "You have 1 week." When Mother returned, Thomas ran to her. "Did you find any wood?" Mother shook her head. "Maybe tomorrow." Days passed. The cold grew worse. Mother became more worried. "Thomas, you should go south," she said. "Your aunt lives in a warm place." Thomas loved Mother deeply. "I'm staying here," he said. Then one day, a messenger arrived. "Oh no," Mother cried. "The wizard froze the northern villages. Everyone fled. That's terrible." Thomas said, "Mother made a decision. I'll go to my cabin in the mountains. The soldier won't find me there." She looked at Thomas. "The mountains are cursed. People say a frozen monster lives there now. You'll go to your aunt." "A monster?" Thomas laughed. "Nonsense. I'm coming with you, Mother," she sighed. "Fine." That night, Thomas and Mother went to the cabin. It was small and drafty, but Thomas looked around and smiled. "We can make this work. I like it here." 1 year passed. Thomas made the cabin comfortable. He fixed the roof. He built a fireplace. Thomas loved reading, but he loved helping Mother best of all. His favorite task was gathering herbs. One day, Thomas was outside. The herbs were ready to pick. Mother came out and sat down. He looked so tired. Thomas thought. Mother looked at him. "You should go live with your aunt. A young boy needs warmth, but I'm fine here," Thomas said. Mother was surprised. "Really?" Thomas pointed to the edge of the forest. A white fox stood watching them. Her bright blue eyes were calm and peaceful. Mother laughed. "You're very silly, Thomas. I'm going to check the traps. I'll try to catch us some dinner." Mother thinks I'm joking. Thomas thought, but the fox was his friend. Sometimes she brought Thomas berries. Other times she brought firewood. Thomas gave the fox food from their supplies. Thomas went over to the fox. "Did you bring me something today?" The fox shook her head. "That's okay." Thomas said, "I'm happy to see you." Thomas touched the fox's fur. The fox gently nudged Thomas's hand, then she nodded toward the mountains. Thomas was confused. "You want me to follow you?" The fox nodded. Thomas smiled. It seemed like the fox wanted to show him something. He wanted to go, but Mother always warned him. "The mountains are cursed. A monster lives there." Thomas turned back to the fox. "I'm sorry, I can't go." "Mother," says Thomas. Suddenly, Mother came running. She was jumping for joy. "Have wonderful news. Finally, a caravan is coming through." Mother hugged Thomas. "We're saved. All those supplies will help us survive. I'll trade my medicines, then I'll open a shop in town." Mother saw Thomas staring at her. "What's wrong?" she asked. "I thought you would be happy." "How do you know the caravan is coming?" Thomas asked. "You said trade stopped." "I heard travelers talking," Mother said. "They were heading back from the village." "That's wonderful news," Thomas said. He hugged Mother. "She's so brave and good," he thought. "I'll never let her down again." Mother began making plans. "I'm going to the village right away. Then I'll prepare everything. Don't worry, everything will be fine now." Thomas hurried to get her cloak. Mother held his hands tightly. "Promise me you'll stay away from the mountains." Thomas nodded. "I promise." Mother waved goodbye and hurried off. At the village, she saw the caravan. "Hello." Mother waved to the leader. "I heard you weren't coming this year. But here you are." The leader nodded. "I heard the wizard froze you. And here you are. I'm glad we are both well." Mother said, "Now it's time for me to trade." She glanced at the supplies. Where are the medicines? The leader handed Mother a small pouch. This is all that's left. Mother blinked in surprise. Where's the rest? The wizard took it. The leader said, he used it to pay your taxes. I heard he sold the rest. What? Mother's voice shook. The supplies belong to me. The leader shrugged. Everyone thought you were dead.